Unlock the full potential of your Walmart Rewards card to simplify your shopping and maximize your savings. Whether you're grabbing groceries in store or snagging deals online, using your Walmart Rewards card is straightforward. When you're shopping at a physical Walmart store, simply present your Walmart Rewards card at the checkout like any other payment method. The system will automatically recognize your card and prompt you if you have any accumulated rewards available for redemption. Just confirm if you wish to apply them to your current purchase. For online shopping, first ensure your Walmart Rewards card is linked to your Walmart.com account. During the online checkout process, select your Walmart Rewards card as your payment method. You'll see an option to apply your existing rewards balance directly to your order, reducing your total. To keep track of your rewards and manage your card, regularly check your account online or through the Walmart app. It's a seamless way to save, making every Walmart purchase more rewarding.